Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that can shape your entire financial future. Your 20s are a pivotal time in your financial journey. It's when you lay the groundwork for either a life of financial freedom or one of constant struggle. The habits you form now can determine whether you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck or building substantial lifelong wealth. Picture your 20s as the foundation of your financial house. A strong base will support a prosperous future. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential money habits you need to master in your 20s to pave the way for massive success. These habits aren't about restrictive rules, they're practical, achievable steps to enhance your financial literacy, grow your wealth, and secure your future. Consider it a financial checklist for thriving in your 20s. We'll cover budgeting, investing, tackling debt, and much more. Stay tuned until the end, because there's a bonus habit that often gets overlooked, but is incredibly powerful. This could be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's dive in and transform your financial future. Budgeting might not sound thrilling, but it's crucial. It's the foundation for your financial future, more vital than you might realize. In your 20s, it's easy to indulge in the treat-yourself mindset, and suddenly, your money's gone. You might wonder where it all went, especially when there's nothing to show for it. A budget is your financial roadmap. It shows where your money goes and puts you in control, guiding you towards your goals and helping you avoid financial pitfalls. Think of a budget as empowerment, not restriction. It's about making informed choices and taking charge of your financial destiny. Decide consciously where your money goes, instead of wondering at month's end. By allocating funds into categories, you prioritize what matters. Spending $500 a month on dining out? That's money that could be used elsewhere. A budget helps you see that and decide if it aligns with your bigger financial goals, like saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. You don't need to be a spreadsheet wizard. Budgeting can be as simple or detailed as you want. There are many budgeting apps like YNAB, Mint, EveryDollar, or just a notebook. Find what works for you. The key is finding a system that clicks for you and using it. Consistency is crucial. Creating a budget isn't enough, you must stick to it. Don't just create a budget and forget it. It's a living document needing regular attention. Review it regularly, adjust as needed, and make it a habit, like any other important life aspect. It's like checking your car's oil. Regular maintenance prevents major breakdowns. Monitoring your budget helps avoid financial surprises. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. It's a flexible tool that should evolve with your life. Life changes, income changes, goals change. Your budget should reflect and adapt to these changes. Your budget should be flexible enough to adapt with you. Don't hesitate to adjust as circumstances change. Start now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see benefits. Even with minimal income, building the habit of budgeting early pays off in the long run. It's a skill that will serve you well, helping achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Life throws curveballs. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, unexpected medical bills pop up. These situations can be incredibly stressful and can put a significant strain on your finances. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's a dedicated stash of money set aside to cover the unexpected. It's that buffer that keeps you from spiraling into debt when life gets unpredictable. Without it, you might find yourself relying on high-interest credit cards or loans. Most financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away in a separate, easily accessible account. This might seem like a lot, but it's crucial for your financial health. This isn't your vacation fund, it's for genuine emergencies. Think of it as your financial armor, protecting you from the unexpected. I know, saving that much can seem daunting, especially when you're just starting out, but don't get discouraged. Start small. Every little bit helps. Even $50 a week adds up over time. It's about building a habit and making consistent contributions. The important thing is to start and keep contributing consistently. Automate your savings if you can, so you don't even have to think about it. Think of it like building a brick wall. Each deposit is another brick, and over time these bricks will form a strong, impenetrable wall. Eventually you'll have a solid, impenetrable wall protecting your finances. This wall will give you the confidence to face any financial challenge that comes your way. Where should you keep this money? It's important to choose the right place. A high-yield savings account is a good option. It offers easy access to your funds while earning a bit of interest. You want it to be liquid, meaning you can access it quickly, but also earning a little bit of interest. This way your money is working for you even when it's just sitting there. Having that emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing you can handle unexpected expenses without resorting to high-interest credit cards or loans. It's a financial cushion that can make a world of difference. It's about financial security and taking control of your future. By building an emergency fund, you're not just preparing for the unexpected, you're also creating a foundation for a more secure and confident financial life. Chapter 3. Start investing early. Investing early is one of the most important financial decisions you can make in your 20s. Time is your greatest asset in your 20s when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. The magic of compounding is real. It's the process where your investment earnings generate their own earnings. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more and more snow as it goes. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. The earlier you start, the bigger that snowball gets. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Even small contributions made consistently in your 20s can grow exponentially over time. It's about consistency and patience. Thanks to the power of compound interest, your returns generate their own returns, creating a snowball effect that builds significant wealth over the long term. This is the essence of financial growth. Don't wait until you have more money to start investing. The perfect time to start is now. Start now, even if it's just a small amount. The key is to get into the habit of investing regularly. The key is to develop the habit of regular investing. Set up automatic contributions to make it easier. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to begin, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are great starting points for new investors. These offer instant diversification and are generally less risky than picking individual stocks. Diversification helps spread risk. Is available to help you learn about investing. Books, online courses, and financial blogs can be very helpful. Don't be afraid to do your research and ask questions. Financial advisors can provide valuable guidance. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Stay informed and keep learning. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a long-term game. Patience and persistence are key. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound, setting you up for a comfortable financial future. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Your 20s are a crucial time to build the strong financial habits that will set you up for lifelong wealth. This is the decade where the financial decisions you make can have a lasting impact on your future. By focusing on these 10 essential money habits now, you're not just managing money, you're building a solid foundation of financial stability, discipline, and growth. These habits include budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding the power of compound interest. Think of it as an investment in your future self. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and the more secure your financial future will be. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a long-term perspective. Just like training for a marathon, it's about consistent effort over time. Every small step you take today, every dollar you save, every smart financial decision you make brings you closer to financial freedom. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your goals and dreams. It's not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that empower you to live the life you want. This means prioritizing your spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding joy in simple pleasures. Which of these habits are you going to focus on first? Is it creating a budget, starting an emergency fund, or perhaps learning about investments? Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts and experiences, and let's build a community of financially savvy individuals. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Your Finance Lab for more personal finance strategies, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We're here to support you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and every step you take today is a step towards a brighter tomorrow.